Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start solving some of the previous year questions for grade 10 from CBSE so that we are becoming more confident by solving all this kind of questions for our exam. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with question number 1. If the 0 of the quadratic polynomial fx equal to 4x square minus 8kx plus 8x minus 9 is negative of the other, then find the zeros of kx square plus 3kx plus 2. Now here, let me write this polynomial first. What it is? 4x square minus 8kx plus 8x minus 9. Right? This is the polynomial. Now I'll arrange all these terms here in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Why? We will get to know in a short while. So here what will I write? I will write 4x square. Now this x is common here and 8 is common here, so I will keep it outside, plus 8 1 minus k x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now here this is exactly in the form of x square plus bx plus c. This is a, b, and this is c. So one 0 or one root of this polynomial is negative of the other. There are two roots, we know, alpha and beta for a quadratic polynomial, and one is negative in this case. So here if one is alpha, then the other will be beta. Beta will be equal to minus of alpha. That's what the question is saying. Now what will be the value of alpha plus beta? We already know this formula, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now here on this side beta will be minus alpha, means alpha minus alpha is 0, and what will be minus b by a? That is 8 1 minus k divided by 4, which is 8 divided by 4, it will be 2. So I am directly writing 2 1 minus k. Now here 0 is equal to 2 1 minus k. That means I'll just jump a few steps. K will be equal to how much? K will be equal to 1. Obviously, because 0 divided by 2 is 0, then 1 minus k equal to 0. It will come down to 1 minus k is equal to 0. So definitely, therefore, k is equal to 1. Now I can substitute this value here in this particular polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So it will become kx square plus 3kx plus 2 equal to 0 will become x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can just find out the roots. How? We know 2, we can change this 3x to 2x plus x, right, equal to 0. Now what are the factors? X plus 2 and another factor is x plus 1. So what are the zeros now? X will be either equal to minus 2 or minus 1, right? So these are the roots of the second polynomial. I'll just erase this line over here, of the second polynomial, 3kx square plus 3kx plus 2. Now these are the kind of questions that come very often in the exam. So please be thorough with the quadratic polynomials, and then you can solve these very easily. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now let's look at question number 2. If cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin beta is equal to 1, then find beta minus alpha. So when is cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2? We should remember this properly, then question is very easy. We need to remember all the values from the trigonometric table very easily. I'll try to make another video for the trigonometric tables if in case you find them difficult to remember. So cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 when alpha is equal to 30 degree. And when is sin beta? Sin beta equal to 1 whenever beta is equal to 90 degree, right? Sin 90 is 1 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So beta minus alpha, what will be its value? 90 minus 30, which is 60 degree or 60. All right. Now let's move to the next question. Now let's look at question number 3. Determine graphically whether the following pair of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 has a a unique solution, B, infinitely many solutions, or C, no solution. So graphically means you will get a graph paper. Here I don't have a graph paper, so I will draw roughly two lines for these two equations. So first I'll take the first equation that's given to us, 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Now when x is equal to 0, that will be the y-axis where this line intersects y-axis. So when x is 0, it will become minus 3y equal to 5, and y will be equal to minus 5 by 3. So one point we got 0 comma minus 5 by 3. 5 instead of 5 by 3, I'll write it in decimal. It will be somewhere it will be 1.6, right? So I'll write here 1.66 something. So I'll just keep it as 1.6, doesn't matter. Now similarly, when y is 0, that is the point where it will intersect, the same line will intersect the x-axis. So when y is 0, what it will be? 2x is equal to 5. So x will be equal to 2.5, right? So the other point where it that we got, that it intersects the x-axis, that is 2.5 comma 0. So how does that become 2.5? I just skipped one step, but in case if you are not able to understand, so here 2x minus 0 equal to 5 means 2x equal to 5. So x will be equal to, this 2 will come to the other side, here it's multiplied, it will get divided on the side, it will become x equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. That is how I got 2.5 comma 0, the point where this line intersects the x-axis. So I drew this line. 2.5 comma 0 will be somewhere here, right? And 1 point minus 0 comma 1 minus 1.6 will be somewhere here, right, in between minus 1 and minus 2. So these are the 2 points. I have drawn the line for this. Now second equation is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1. So here what we will do, again we will take x equal to 0 to understand the point where it intersects the y-axis. So 0 plus 4y is equal to minus 1, that means y will be equal to minus 1 by 4, which is somewhere minus 0.25, right, minus 0.25. So this is 1.0 comma minus 0.25. And what will be the other point for this line? The other point will be where y is equal to 0. So when y becomes 0, it will become 3x is equal to 3x plus 0. I will not skip steps for people who, for kids who do not understand properly. So 3x plus 0 equal to minus 1. So x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So x will be equal to 0.33 minus 0.33 something, right? So that point where it intersects the the x-axis will be 0.33 comma 0. So let me write it down here, 0.33 comma 0, before I plot the line for it. So 0 comma minus 0.25, it will be somewhere here, and minus 0.33 comma 0 will be somewhere here, let's say. So if I draw a line that goes through these 2 points, the line will go like this. So this is the point where it intersects. How many points it is intersecting at? Only 1 point. So for this particular question, it has got a unique solution. For these two pair of lines, it has got a unique solution, which is A option. Now if the same question has been asked not to do graphically, so don't waste your time trying to do this. What you should do?
In such a case, what you do, you take A1 is equal to, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then this whatever pair of equations have been given have got a unique solution, right? What is A1, B1, and what are these? A1x plus B1y plus C1. This is the first equation. The second equation is A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Then if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, you understand immediately this is a unique solution. No need of wasting your time drawing a graph here, because you would have many other questions to solve. Similarly, when A1 by A2
is equal to B1 by B2, and C1, the C1, C2, this constant terms also are equal. That is the time when one line lies over the other. They are overlapping lines. So that time infinitely many solutions, right? You already might be knowing all this, but still for refreshing your memory, I am trying to write them down here. Okay, infinitely many solutions, and for no solution, they have to be two parallel lines, right? Unique solution is this kind of condition. Infinitely many solutions means the two lines are overlapping each other, and parallel lines, when two lines are parallel to each other, then they will have no solution. And what is the this thing for that? That A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and is not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition that applies for in no solution. All right. I hope I'm clear with this question, how to solve graphically as well as not graphically. Not graphically, simply checking the ratios of the coefficients of x, y and the constant term. By that you can know. Okay.
So I'll be henceforth posting many questions from previous years for grade 10. If you want to learn by watching all those videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Bye.